Hey guys, welcome to this our setting guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with Italics effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to send a message on your iPhone with Italics effect, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. With Italic effect on your iPhone, you can lay emphasis on any part of the message by italicizing this part of the text to make it look different. So first thing you want to do here is go ahead and type the message. So let me just say, this is how to send message with italics on iPhone with italics effect. So just like italic effect in iPhone iOS 18. So once you're done typing the message, just type your normal message you want to send here with italics. Then highlight the part of the message where you want to italicize, like this. So once highlighted, you're going to see this menu comes up. On the menu, locate text effect. Then once you click on text effect, locate the italic icon here and then click on it. Then once you click on that, you see the text italicized. Then click outside the text and then go ahead and send it. Once you send the text, you see the text highlighted italicized here, like this. So you can repeat this on all the text you want to send on your iPhone using the iMessage on iOS 18. So that is basically how to send message with italics effect on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.